Do you lie in bed for hours staring at the ceiling, just waiting for sleep that never comes? You are not alone. Millions of people struggle with this every single night. But here is what nobody tells you. There are 5 herbal teas that have been used for hundreds of years to calm the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and help you fall into deep, natural sleep. No pills, no side effects, just plants. Stay until the end because number 3 is the most powerful sleep tea almost nobody knows about. On this superfood channel, we cover the most powerful herbal teas, natural remedies, and superfoods that can transform your health from the inside. Today, we are talking specifically about sleep because poor sleep does not just make you tired. It affects your immunity, your weight, your mood, and even your memory. The good news is that nature has already solved this problem. These 5 teas work by naturally increasing GABA in the brain, lowering cortisol, and calming your nervous system so your body actually wants to sleep. Let us get into them. Starting with number 1, T1 Chamomile Tea. Chamomile is probably the most well-known sleep tea in the world, and for good reason. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to receptors in your brain that reduce anxiety and promote sleepiness. Drink 1 cup of chamomile tea about 30 minutes before bed. Let it steep for 5 minutes. You can add a little honey for taste. Studies show it helps people fall asleep faster and wake up less during the night. T2 Valerian Root. Tea valerian root is nature's sleeping pill. It increases the levels of GABA, a calming chemical in your brain. The same way many prescription sleep medications work, but without the dependency or side effects. The taste is earthy and strong, so mix it with chamomile or add honey. Drink it 1 hour before bed for best results. T3 Passion Flower. Tea, this is the one most people have never heard of, and it may be the most effective of all 5. Passion flower has been shown in clinical studies to improve sleep quality better than a placebo. It works by boosting GABA and calming racing thoughts, which is why it is perfect if anxiety keeps you awake at night. You can find it in most health stores or online. Steep for 10 minutes and drink 1 hour before bed. T4 Lemon Balm Tea. Lemon balm is a mint family herb that directly reduces stress hormones and calms the nervous system. It pairs beautifully with valerian root. Together, they are one of the most studied natural combinations for sleep and anxiety. It has a light, pleasant lemon flavor. Perfect if you do not like strong herbal tastes. T5 Lavender Tea. You already know lavender as an essential oil, but drinking it as a tea is even more powerful. Lavender slows your heart rate, lowers blood pressure, and puts your nervous system into rest mode. A study published in the journal Phytomedicine found lavender significantly improves sleep quality in people with anxiety-related sleep disorders. Drink it warm, 30 minutes before bed. It is gentle, fragrant, and one of the most relaxing teas you will ever try. Before I go, here is a bonus tip that will make all of these teas even more effective. Try making a sleep blend at home. Combine equal parts of chamomile, lemon balm, and passion flower into a jar. Every night, take 1 teaspoon of the blend, steep in hot water for 8 to 10 minutes, and drink it 45 minutes before bed. This combination targets sleep from 3 different directions, reducing anxiety, increasing GABA, and calming your nervous system all at once. Within 7 days, most people report falling asleep faster and waking up feeling more refreshed. I have actually put together a full 7-day herbal tea sleep plan as a PDF guide. The link is in the description below if you want the complete day-by-day routine. So there you have it, the 5 best herbal teas for deep natural sleep. Chamomile, valerian root, passion flower, lemon balm, and lavender. Start with just 1 tonight and see how your sleep changes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps this channel reach more people who are looking for natural health solutions. Subscribe if you are new here because every week we share the best herbal teas, superfoods, and natural remedies to help you feel your best. And comment below which of these 5 teas are you going to try first. I read every single comment. See you in the next video.